Yes, it's recording. I can see both of us. You're kind of out of focus, though.
Full focus.
Now we're getting all this me figuring out your camera on video.
Yeah.
My arm's tired already. Figured it out, kind of.
Welcome to the vlogging life. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another track day weekend. We're back at Roebling, but I didn't film the last time. I didn't vlog the last time we were at Roebling. So this is y'all's first time seeing us at Roebling. But we're at Roebling in Savannah, Georgia. So we just dropped off the race car at the track, and now we're gonna go and try to enjoy the rest of the day in downtown Savannah or at the beach or whatever we decide to do. But we're gonna go have dinner first. 'Cause I'm hungry.
I'm hungry too.
So that's what
Haven't eaten anything today.
That's what we're doing right now.
I'm gonna throw this lettuce at you. You wanna try me?
Yeah, I do. Oh God. All right, time for dinner. We came down to the Tybee Island Pier, and it's obviously quite dark outside now, but we didn't beat the sun, but we're gonna do it anyways. We're out here on the pier over the ocean, so just to give you an idea of where we're at. There's a few lights on the boardwalk, but it is pretty dark out here. I'm sorry the picture's so like spotty, but
If you were gonna kill me, this would be the perfect time. You could just stab me in the back and push me over the edge into the ocean.
because they wouldn't find your body on the beach tomorrow morning.
I'm just saying I'd end up in the ocean.
Yep. All right, so we kill you now. Let's go. So we'll catch up with you guys when we get back to some lights. Good morning, everybody. Welcome to the racetrack. I realized that I didn't really finish the vlog yesterday. Oops. But yeah, we're out at Roebling again this morning. Annika's going out for her first run right now. I'm sitting in the car where it is warm, but I think I will go ahead and go out and shoot some photos because it's not unbearably cold today like it has been the last couple of times we've gone to the track. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll bring you guys with me. guys enjoyed that that drone footage. That was fun. First time I've flown it at a racetrack, and you know, like the third time I've flown it ever. But that was pretty sweet. It was a lot of fun. I guess we'll go and find Annika now. We saw you spin out.
I know.
Got it on the drone this time.
You never mess up. You're never pushing yourself enough.
This is very true. I agree. Honestly, it's kind of nice to see you going over the edge, especially on this track, because there's...
This car's not forgiving either.
No, I can
I
tell.
think it's the tires aren't forgiving. Because my Mustang,
Yeah.
I can kind of four-wheel drift a little bit. You know, if I go too far, she just kind of slides and comes back. This car, it's just gone.
Well, isn't that the thing with the Hoosiers?
Yeah.
Is that they...
When they go, they're gone.
Yeah.
Also, these are, when they gave them to me, they had fewer than 10 cycles, but now they have 5 more heat cycles on this weekend, and there's going to be 4 more before the end of the weekend. So, I need to think about getting myself some Toyos soon.
We're about to watch Spec-Miata, or the Spec
Lightning
racing
race.
now. It's about to get really loud, so I'm going to stop talking. And
He's qualified second.
we're done with racing for today, and now we've come downtown for dinner. But
McDonald's, that's what's the first thing that comes up on Yelp,
McDonald's,
Yeah.
that sounds wonderful.
doesn't it?
We should go there.
Yeah.
But I figure since we're on top of a parking deck in one of the prettiest cities in the southeast, probably the prettiest city in the southeast, I would fly the drone. But yeah, so I'm gonna hand the camera to her, and I'm gonna fly. I bestow upon you this gift. Ready to go.
Chasing sunsets all alone. The darkness fading, painting goodbye big sky. Far away but dreaming of your ocean eyes.
Alright guys, I think we're going to sign off for today and go get dinner. I hope you all enjoyed another episode, and we'll see you guys again tomorrow. As always, take it easy.